Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 47, Negotiation by Delivery. Section 47 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 deals with the manner in which a negotiable instrument payable to bearer may be transferred. It explains the principle that bearer instruments are negotiable by mere delivery and also provides an important exception in cases of conditional delivery. 1. Negotiation of bearer instruments. The section provides that, subject to the provisions of Section 58, a promissory note, bill of exchange, or cheque payable to bearer is negotiable by delivery thereof. This means that when an instrument is made payable to bearer, the transfer of possession alone is sufficient to transfer the rights in the instrument. No endorsement is required. The person who physically receives the instrument with the intention of acquiring rights becomes the holder. Bearer instruments therefore circulate freely in commercial transactions, similar to cash, as their transfer requires only delivery. 2. Meaning of subject to Section 58. The phrase subject to the provisions of Section 58 indicates that this rule operates with certain limitations, as Section 58 addresses instruments obtained by unlawful means or for unlawful consideration. Thus, while bearer instruments are generally negotiable by delivery, the rights of a person who obtains the instrument unlawfully or without proper title may be restricted under the Act. 3. Importance of delivery. Delivery is the essential element in the negotiation of bearer instruments and may be either actual or constructive, but it must be accompanied by the intention to transfer ownership. Without such intention, mere physical transfer does not constitute valid negotiation. 4. Conditional delivery. The section provides an important exception that where a promissory note, bill of exchange, or cheque is delivered subject to a condition that it shall not take effect until the occurrence of a specified event, it does not become negotiable until that event occurs. In other words, if the instrument was handed over with the understanding that it would become effective only upon fulfillment of a particular condition, it cannot be treated as freely negotiable until the condition is satisfied. For example, if a bearer cheque is delivered on the condition that it will be effective only after delivery of certain goods, and that event has not yet occurred, the instrument is not fully negotiable. 5. Protection of holder for value without notice. The section further protects a holder for value who acquires the instrument without notice of the condition. If such a person receives the instrument. If a person acquires the instrument for valuable consideration, in good faith, and without knowledge of the conditional nature of its delivery, he may enforce the instrument even if the specified condition has not been fulfilled. This rule preserves the negotiability and reliability of bearer instruments in commercial circulation. 6. Purpose of the provision. Section 47 balances two important principles by ensuring the free transferability of bearer instruments through mere delivery while also providing protection against misuse where the delivery was conditional or restricted. By recognizing conditional delivery while safeguarding bona fide holders for value, the Act ensures fairness without undermining commercial certainty. For more details, contact us.